So this past weekend was the Met Gala 2018, and I am so inspired by all of the celebrities' makeup, especially Selena's, and I wanted to recreate her look just because it's so goddess, royal look that I am just obsessed with. So come with me and let's get started. With the Lumi Illuminator in Rose, I'm gonna apply that as a base to my face because I noticed in Selena's makeup, her face was so glowy that I wanted to give my skin that glowy look. I don't really have any dark foundation, so I'm going to be using the Quad Elf Concealer in that dark color. And I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and I'm going to apply the third and the first shade onto my face. And I know it's going to look dark, but no worries, we're going to blend everything out and make it look seamless and flawless. Now with my Maybelline Master Concealer, I'm going to go ahead and highlight the under of my eyes, bridge of my nose, under my chin, and my forehead as well. And with the damp beauty blender, just go ahead and blend everything out. In my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette, I'm going to be taking Cocoa Truffle and using that as a transitional shade. To make the eyeshadow pop, I'm going to spray my flat brush and then dip it into the chocolate gold shade. And then afterwards, I'm just going to place it onto my eyelids. See how it pops so nice, so well, and it's so amazing. I love it. I'm going to be taking Gold Dipped and just highlight the inner corners of my eyes. Oh yeah, don't forget to line the bottom of your eyes with chocolate gold. Now, tightline your eyes to help make your lash line look fuller. Find a type of lash that wings out because you want to emphasize that cat eye look. Apply mascara to your bottom lashes to help give it that doll-like effect look. Keep your eyebrows natural and just fill in any sparse. This way it will actually make your eyebrows look fuller and more youthful. With the big bronzer, I'm going to go ahead and bronze up the sides of my cheeks, my forehead, and the sides of my chin to help give this look a more defined shape and make my face look more bronzy gold. Taking Dripping in Gold from my Glow Kit palette, I'm going to apply that to the highest points of my cheeks, and then also the forehead, nose bridge, and underneath my lip. So Selena left her lips nude so that her eyes can stand out, and I completely understand that because if you apply a pop of lip color and then you have a pop of eye, that's gonna be a little bit too overwhelming, don't you think? But yeah, I love this look, it's so amazing. Spray your face so that it can set your whole entire makeup look. That is it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. And I will definitely see you guys next time. Bye.